A piece of plastic is usually not that valuable, so how do we increase the value of a 3D print? Well, if we want to stay just within the material of plastic, we can make the plastic interactive. And there are many ways how to do that, but one of the best and simplest ways is to add a QR code. And so today I would like to show you this tool, GenQR code, that not only enables you to generate the whole custom QR code for yourself, but it even enables you to track some of the links that you put there. It adds a base and then even a stand, and there are many things that you can put into that link. So let me show you how it works. So you will go to this website, link in the description, and over here you can pick from multiple different formats in which you can put the QR code to. Of course, I won't go over all of them in this video, but a very specific one that I would highly recommend looking at is something called dynamic URLs. It's not just a URL that you send somebody to somewhere, but it is a full tracking system, because if you create an account that's completely for free, you can always go to your dynamic QR codes and you see how many scans it has. You can always change what URL they get sent to. No matter what you change it to, the physical things stay the same. And then you can click on the analytics of that QR code, which is an amazing thing if you're trying to use this for a business, but it tracks the traffic there, and that's why it is so useful. So over here, you just put your URL, nothing complicated. It is fully custom. This can be amazing if you are doing it, for example, as an order for a business, because then you can fully customize it without the need of knowing designing yourself, but it's still custom for the business or for the client that you are making it for. You can even add your own logo onto the QR code. Over here, you have the export options. STL, which I always find to be enough. If you don't want to do any designing at all, I would highly recommend going with the base. This is just the size of the QR code, so make sure you aren't making this too small, because if it was too small, the small bodies of the image too small to even 3D print in the first place, and it wouldn't scan properly. Then in the QR code height, this is where I made mistakes when I was making my first QR codes, is if you set this too high, it will cast shadows. It will be undetectable for the phone to scan. So what I would recommend is picking a height of something like even 0.5. And then if you want to have it a bit faster, you can also change the base height. And then you can even add magnet holes. They will include the stands for that QR code for you to display. So you basically get the whole STL of the QR code, you get a way to track analytics and traffic on that QR code, then it even gives you the stands to display for that QR code, and then you can for free download that file. So I hope you find this useful, it helps, and if you have any feedback, drop it in the comments.